My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I've worked at IRS for 10 years, and I have been in private practice for actually 4 decades. So that makes me old. Anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5-minute video. They're short, sweet, to the point, and I want to give you the information that you need to make informative decisions. I'm available for free consultations and representation, and I hope you recommend my videos. I do try to share with you some insights into IRS. I've been doing this a long time. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I taught the offer and compromise program. I used to accept them and deny them. And by the way, if you leave me comments or suggestions, I'm really happy to go ahead and do a YouTube on any suggestion that you have, as long as it goes ahead and appeals really to the masses. So what I want to talk to you today about is you've missed a payment agreement. You may have gotten a CP 523 notice, or IRS may send you a letter, hey, you missed your payment, and we're sending this case to the field, or just want you to know. So what do you do? IRS probably sends 1 million of these letters out. I get a lot of those letters. I get a lot of those people calling me. I missed my payment. What's IRS going to do? Well, if you ignore that, IRS is going to send you a 668A to levy your bank account, or a 668W to go ahead and garnish your wages. So you need to address that letter, and you need to really address it fast. So there's 2 things that you do what if you miss an IRS payment. The first thing is, if you've missed it, or IRS didn't take it out, you want to go ahead and call IRS and let them know, especially if you got the letter, because IRS is going to put you in the collection enforcement cycle. That means you are now in a situation where you could get a levy, bank levy, or filing of the federal tax lien. What you should do, if you can, before you call, is go into the IRS portal and make a payment. It will really help if you do that, or put in something, so when you call IRS, you can say, hey, I made the payment, I made it back up, I just want to get reinstated. What you want to do is, if you can, is get reinstated back into the IRS payment program. Now, you don't have to do that. If you've had a change of income, you've had a drop in income, and you need a new payment, you should call IRS back and say, hey, that payment was too much, can we go ahead and modify it? If you want to keep that payment, you've got to call IRS back and say, hey, IRS, at the end of the day, I want to keep that payment, can we go ahead and reinstate it? Most of the time they will, but you have to act as fast as you possibly can, because if not, IRS, in fact, will go ahead and put you in that enforcement cycle. So you want to address it, you want to call them, you want to go and make a payment if you can. If not, you call IRS and do a modification and reduce it. But you have to act on a missed payment so you don't go back into the cycle. Anyway, thank you for listening to my YouTube video. If you'd recommend me, I'd appreciate that. I try to give you the information you need. You're welcome to leave me comments, your criticisms, tell me. If you want me to talk about something, an issue you have, leave it on a comment. I'll probably make a YouTube on it. I really need subscriptions. YouTube thinks that's very valuable. So if you could hit that bell and give me a subscription and give me a like, whatever. You can contact me anytime you want. I'm available for representation or a free consultation. Thank you very much, but make sure you address that problem. Give me a notification and recommend me if you can. Thank you.